Hi, in front of me I have Lenovo Ego Smartwatch, and I'm gonna show you how to factory reset this watch by using the Lenovo Life application on your phone. Before we start, if you want to use this method of factory reset, your watch needs to be paired with your phone via the Lenovo Life application. Once the devices are paired, open the Lenovo Life application on your phone. In the app, tap on Profile icon, then tap on Ego, or rather select the Ego device from the list of devices. And here we have the factory reset option. Tap on it, tap on Confirm. And that's it. After a couple of seconds, your Lenovo Ego watch should be restored to the factory default settings. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.